Hi everyone, welcome back to BMCC. This particular section is for the NEET aspirants and those who are preparing for the NEET exam in 2026. I know many of the students have doubts and queries related to the exam. So in this particular section, I am sure that you will be cleared everything. Okay, so when we talk about NEET 2026 exam pattern, as you have seen in 2025, same as it is. Okay, the mode of exam will be offline and with the base of pen and paper, and duration will be 3 hours, and the total number of questions will be 180 but not 200 MCQs. Got it? And marking scheme will be plus 4 marks for each correct questions and minus each for the incorrect questions. So when we talk about tentative exam 2026 schedule, mostly exam date may be May 3rd of 2026. Notification release probably February 2026. Application window February-March 2026 as you have seen here. Admit card release may be April 2026. Release of result declaration will be June 2026 as you have seen in 2025. It is going to repeat 2026, no doubt here. Okay, when we talk about eligibility criteria, I know many of the students have doubts here, right? So minimum age limit is 17 years. Okay, by the end of December 31st of 2026, not 2025, 2026, if you have to write a NEET exam, the minimum age should be 17. Got it? And upper age limit, no age limit. Number of attempts, it is unlimited. So when we talk about education qualification, you must have passed with physics, chemistry, biology, biotechnology or English with the minimum aggregative marks in PCB. So when we talk about different categories, they have to be minimum of 50%. When we talk about general category, they should have 50% of what marks? PWD general people 45%, and OBC, SC, ST 40%, PWD reserved candidates 40%. Okay. So when we talk about exam level, is same as that you have seen in NEET 2025. Okay, there will be no change in 2026. And one more thing, this year physics paper was the toughest, right? So you can expect chemistry might be tough, biology might be tough, but one thing you have to remember, you have to build up your performance in all the subject, physics, chemistry and biology. When you are done all the subject, if you are ready for the exam, then no subject will be toughest for you. So all the best for your exam, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.